Hi friends, this is Supal Rajwade and you are watching me on my YouTube channel. Guys, you know that I am a government teacher and I have to teach class 6 to 8th only English subject. So guys, for better teaching to all students, I have to learn English because without learning English, neither you nor I nor anyone can get success in their life. So guys, if you want to become success, then you have to do a lot of hard work. Without hard work, without consistency, you you can't reach anywhere. I mean to say that if you want to get success in your life, then you have to do a lot of hard work. Guys, I will tell you my childhood story. In my childhood, I am I was not good in study. I used to play with dirty children. I always played with dirty children. My parents had no restrictions on me at home because of my mother and father both were illiterate. They don't know a single sentence to Hindi, English or mathematics. So as I tell you that they both were illiterate, they don't know the manner of uh, how to take care their parents. As a result, my parents had no restrictions on me at home, and I remember that I was so poor. I was so poor that from class first to 12th, I used to survive in just pant and shorts. I never ever went to school 6 consecutive days in a week from class first to 12th. I also remember that whenever I got rupees 10 from my parents, I used to be very happy. So, guys, in those days, I'm very poor. Yeah. And I would like to share one incident which happened with me. It was the year 1994. My father climbed the tamarind tree to pluck tamarind in the afternoon in the backyard of my house. There was a mango tree next to the tamarind tree. He tried to pluck mangoes along with tamarind. Mangoes were also spread in it. He tried to pluck mangoes along with tamarind. Due to this effort, he lost his balance and fell on the ground, due to which he went into coma and he was admitted to the district hospital Ambikapur for treatment. But seeing his condition, the doctor has referred him to Bhilai for treatment because if I talk about Ambikapur, there there was no any facility to treatment. So forcefully we have to we had to go away in our own city to about 500 kilometer away from our nearest city. So guys, the doctor has referred him to Bhilai and he was admitted to Bhilai. He was stayed there about 8 to 10 days, but there was no improvement in his condition because my because in those days we were very poor. In those days we were very poor. We can't afford his further treatment. we can't afford his further treatment, guys, because we were very poor, you know that. And as a result, and one, I will tell you one more thing, that in those days I I was in class 7, and I am 14 to 15 years old. I am not capable to farming work. Uh, after my after my father's accident, there was no any else which could which could do farming, which could do farming. So forcefully I had to do farming. I used to study in school and at the same time used to plow fields in the field. And guys, you know that I'm a government teacher, so I I want to tell you the current condition of government school. Being as a teacher, I want to tell you the current situation of government school. If I talk about government school, children in government school, children are only taught to read and write, but they are not taught to speak English. I believe that children should be taught speak children should be taught is read speak English along with reading and writing, because there are four skills to learn any language of the world. These are LSRW. It's called LSRW. These are, the first one is listening, the second one is speaking, the third one is reading, and last one is speaking, writing. But इन सभी में, मतलब both of these, the most common is that speaking. Without speaking, neither I nor you nor anyone can get success in their life. So guys, this is my childhood story. If you like it, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and share it with your friends and relatives. And I would like to say thank you very much. Have a good day. Till then, take care. Bye.